Blessings, everyone. Welcome to Tarry Homestead. Sister Marcel here. So the last time I updated you guys was about 3 weeks ago on the rice. So here's an update now. And what I just noticed today that I did not notice yesterday was, look, y'all, we getting little rice grains. We getting the little rice grains. Look, right here. They're just starting to shoot up now. Look, right here. And there's more. There's one big one that's just coming up, as you can see. So yeah, we're getting the little rice granules. Oh, right here, look at that. It's getting there. It's about to be. So far, so good on the rice. Remember, you can grow rice. Just follow what I did. So I will keep you guys updated probably in the next 2 to 3 weeks. Grow your own rice. Remember, pray over your garden because we plant, we water, but God always gives the increase. Look at that. Look at that. We're going to have rice, y'all.